There's Woodrow. I don't know what he's waiting for. And he'll fly down there if there's 20 blackbirds and stab him in the eye with that big pecker of his. Yeah, I hear you, buddy. There's my man. There's my man. I don't know if you guys can see him. I can't even see him, so I just know it's him. Woody, yeah, we'll put some music on for Woody. Hopefully we don't spook. Okay, we're gonna call him Maurice now. See, watch Woody and the blackbirds. Oh, he'll stab them. Oh man, he's awesome with it. He's like Zorro with that motherfucker. I really love your peaches, wanna take your tree.